now, of late, you see that these family law cases have become so predominant, and many persons, the maximum practice for advocates is in this line. You go to family court, hundreds of people, all youngsters, in the age of 25 to 30, 35, they seek divorce. Then if you see the civil court cases, you see a lot of cases for succession, dispute between brothers, sister, this family history is this is ancestral property, this is my father's property, my grandfather's property. I am a lady, I am not given my due share, my brothers have cheated me. They say that women have got right, but no property is given to us. Am I entitled to any property in the ancestral system? What is the separate property? What is co-personal property? Some people are telling that it's a joint family property to which a woman is not entitled for any share. If it's a separate property, then will is written. My brothers have influenced my father to write the will. So such are the questions. Many questions come before the court. And family court, purely divorce, restitution of conjugal rights, judicial separation, maintenance. So like this, many cases are coming to family court. Flooded, totally flooded with the cases. Because the culture has changed, the civilization has changed. Woman wants more freedom. And the old system of sort of a woman is inferior to man, that system is slowly, it is a transition period now. In India, it's a transition period. So many more cases are coming because of the, incompatibility between husband and wife. So this is a position. So this study is very important, and it is a growing study, and many amendments are coming because this getting married is easy, but getting a divorce is very difficult. Here you go to some temple or something, exchange garlands, get into the wedlock. But if you want to break the marriage, you have to go to the judge. Judge has to give the seal. For that you have to attend lot of adjournments, it will take minimum 2 years to get divorce. Even mutual divorce, it takes 1 year. So this is the position of law. So the study is very important in the present context, and especially 2 acts. I tell you, the Hindu Marriage Act and the Hindu Succession Act. And many of the people, when you become advocate, they will come, sir, my father has left a will, I have not been given a share. How to challenge it? Answers are in the Hindu Succession Act. So you should have a thorough knowledge of Hindu Succession Act. Marriage, of course, very easy. Only small, least provisions you can easily, but Hindu Succession Act is rather difficult. So I will give a detailed lecture on that. Well, let us start one by one. So first of all, you should know who is a Hindu. Only if you know who is a Hindu, to whom the Hindu law is applicable. These 2 things are essential facts for to know that whether Hindu law is applicable or not. Because there will be a preliminary objection from the other advocate. Sir, my client is not a Hindu. Hindu law is not applicable to him. Then the case is dismissed at the first hearing itself. So these are called preliminary objection. Preliminary objection is regarding whether the person is Hindu, whether Hindu law is applicable to him or not. So we should know who is a Hindu. So before filing the case, we should ascertain whether the defendant is a Hindu or not. Only then you should file a case. Now let us see who are Hindus, who are not Hindus. How conversion affects the application of Hindu law to a person. So these things are, and this is an important lesson for the examination, very important lesson for the examination. Tell me.
Application of Hindu law. Who is a Hindu? The term Hindu signifies persons who are Hindus by birth and by faith. This is the basis for the applicability of the Hindu law.
So first of all, there are 2 classifications. One is Hindu by birth. If you are born to a Hindu father or Hindu mother, then you can choose either of the religion. Suppose father is a Christian and mother is a Hindu, or both of them Hindus, means no problem. If both of them are Hindus, means you automatically get the status of Hindu by birth. If If any one of them is there, then it is for you to decide whether you want to be brought up as, whether you means father wants to bring the child as Hindu, or mother wants to bring the child as this one. Previously, whatever the father said, that was the prevailing law. Now both of them have got equal right. How the child is brought up, whether in Hindu tradition or Muslim tradition, Hindu tradition or Christian tradition. So how he has been brought up is important to decide the Hindu status.